Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is vlog 2. And I'm joined with...
What's going on?
Introduce yourself.
Oh, my name's Alex. Yeah, time to send it, bro. Easy build, let's go.
And today, we'll be pulling the coilovers in my car. Step in order for you to do coilovers is to take off the wheels, right? So you need to take off the bolts. And I'm using this thing, which I don't know the name. What's the name?
Impact gun or rattle gun.
Impact gun / rattle gun. And this is what you do. You put it on the bolt, okay? Make sure it's fitted perfectly fine. You don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna try again to take it off. Round 2, okay?
Let's do it, Lisa.
The bolt came off this time, okay?
Woo!
Okay, so now I'm taking the wheel off, and hopefully I don't fail. Okay. Good job.
Taking the brackets off for your brake lines. Get them out of the way so you can drop your coil. We're gonna drop the lower bolt for that fork for the coilover, right? So just like down there, it's 17mm nut and a bolt. So right where that spanner's on. Sick.
So the next step is we're smacking these nuts.
Got it! Taking off the fork. I don't know what you call this. Fork, bottom thingy. Yeah, you just gotta take that bit off the bottom of that strut, so you can take the coilover out or the main strut out when you're ready to pop it out with the top 3 top bolts, and then you should be able to take it all out and be done with your day.
We got the fork out, so now we need to get the spoon too.
Let's take these out, but to get there,
Oh no, DOS.
you just probably gotta take this AC line out of the way.
AC line that doesn't work because I have no AC.
I'm gonna drop it out and then the coilover should come straight out and new one back in. Let's get it.
Sounds good in the hood. Good in the hood. Get it? And we're just using this. Yep. Do you like our table?
Oh. Nice. Oh,
No? We're trying to fit.
checking the strut.
Yeah, putting the bolts on.
Yeah. Put it on the other way. Bruh. Fail.
I put the bolt on the wrong way, so this is no good tutorial. Okay, you take it out, put it this way in. And then you...
Oh my god.
This is the best tutorial.
The next biggest stance build in Sydney, guaranteed.
I'm not a stance boy like some person named...
I don't know. I don't know who you're talking about.
I don't know. It starts with a Y? You can guess.
Fork. I think that's what you call it. Your fork.
Your fork. But I found out there's no spoon, so...
And then you just fit it straight over your lower control arm, and then you just put it onto the bottom of that coilover, and then you get it nice and snug, line her up where you want it, put the bolts back on, tighten her up, and always torque your stuff, FT, alright? So for those who know, you know, FT everything, yeah?
Okay, right now we're putting the big bolt in.
Sick. And that's pretty much it. Then you just go in and tighten all the bolts up. Make sure they're all nice and tight. And then check your ride height after after you put your wheel back on, and choose however high you want to be or make your car. I don't know.
The next part is to make sure that your bolts are all tightened. And I did a pretty good job, so he's double checking it.
Always gotta double check. Shout out Mentos.
Trying to fix the brake line thingamabob. Wow, look who's arrived. with a mill. Not her though. Putting the wheels back on? Well, the bolt thing?
We're halfway there.
Yeah.
Halfway there in this easy install. Oh!
So guys, these are my temporary wheels. These are not my wheels. I have 9.9 6-year-old. You know what?
9.9 6-year-olds.
Yes, that. I have those wheels, but I'm just waiting to put tires on, and then those will be my new wheels for my EG.
That's where a bit soon to come.
Yeah. So stay tuned. Okay, so right now we're dropping the car. So now we're gonna test drive to see how it handles. So
I reckon it should be so much better, I reckon, hey?
yeah,
It should be a heap stiff. I mean, they're made for the track, so
let's go.
Right. Let's send it. Get some tech, bro. Get on the tech, bro. Get on the tech, bro.
It feels so much more stiff.
You gotta throw it in the corners, bro.
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa!
This is good.
Gotta grab the old sheet handle, boys.
What? I like this. This is good.
Can we not die, please?
Okay, we're gonna go through roundabouts, okay?
Yeah. Rip for the last bit of the rear install because we kind of forgot to record, so
Yeah, sorry.
yeah, that was on our fault. But I mean, we can give you a rundown how to do it,
There's a club.
so it should be alright. We'll get back to doing that, but yeah.
Let's see how it goes on roundabouts.
Come on, selfie stick.
I know. See, we do have a GoPro, but we have no mount.
But that's coming soon, so don't worry about that.
Woo! Woo! I like that! Oh, what the hell? Okay, the real test is this small, there's like this small swivel bend.
It's got a chicane.
Okay, I don't know what it's called, but.
Whoa!
Oh, fuck, I forgot about that!
Alright, full send, bro, full send. Don't flip it, please. Hey, I'm gonna switch on front camera just so you guys can see when we come back through that.
Okay, well, we're gonna come back and we'll show you.
I'm gonna show you this little chicane. Now I almost pooped my pants in. Straight out. I'm fucking genuinely scared here, eh? Alright, so this is just like a little chicane that, you know, you just fly through, I guess.
See? If it's approval. I forgot to end the vlog, but I just want to say thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, follow Midnight Chasers on Instagram.